Despite the concerns over rising interest rates, things are still running hot at this auction in Sydney.
Head to me in 7:35.
In Mernda, on the outskirts of Melbourne, bidding for this house was a lot more subdued.
Okay, I'll take it. Take $100. Why not? 615, 600. We got there, it was like pulling teeth out of a chicken. Well, certainly this weekend there's about 30% less auctions happening than what happened last week. So there's a lot of caution in the market.
Okay, so speak now or forever hold your peace now, sir.
That caution is certainly warranted since it's uncertain how quickly rates will rise. But if they were to hit 2.6% in, say, 2 years, someone with a $1 million mortgage can expect to fork out an extra $1,350 per month.
It's a bit scary that they're going to go up even more, especially for people like myself who's looking to buy as a single mum.
We will move to pass the property in.
People also won't be able to borrow as much to buy their dream home. For someone earning $100,000 before tax, after Tuesday's rate hike, the maximum amount they can borrow has dropped by about $20,000. But in a year's time, if the RBA hikes rates 5 more times, that person would be able to borrow about $123,000 less than they can now. But buyers like Veronica Farid are hopeful it could also bring down house prices as well.
By the end of this year, I'm sure houses are going to drop by 100,000. So if we don't get it today, we'll get it by the end of the year.
Selling, selling, selling now. Sold! Congratulations!
Lucky for her, she didn't have to wait that long. The Reserve Bank put out a dire forecast in early April. It warned that if interest rates were to rise by just 2%, it could lead to a 15% drop in property prices, given Australian households have some of the highest levels of debt in the world. But some experts say the correction won't be that severe.
I think if we were looking at a kind of moderate or reasonable correction in property prices of, say, around 10%, that would actually take prices in most capital cities only back to levels that we saw last year.
Which isn't much comfort for those struggling to get into what's still very much an overheated property market. David Chow, ABC News.